In this demo, we will demonstrate how you can consolidate data from various sources using Astera Centerprise in 5 simple steps. Let's take a scenario where you have 3 different systems, say SQL Server, Oracle, and Postgres, that need to be consolidated into a single source of truth. The first step is to create a consolidated target model with consistent key mappings. To do that, you can simply reverse engineer from your source databases. From there, our AI-powered data modeling capability lets you merge these models into one, using nothing more than a few natural language prompts. Within minutes, you'll have a ready-to-use target model. Next, pick where you want this model to live. It could be Redshift, Snowflake, or any other provider. With just a few clicks, you can forward engineer your logical model into a fully physical schema ready to accept data. Now it's time to connect your sources to the target. The mapping module helps you auto-generate straightforward mappings instantly. For the more complex mappings, you can leverage intelligent AI-based matching. With just a few clicks, you save these mappings and move seamlessly into building model-driven pipelines. Once your mappings are in place, workflow automation takes over. Whether it's reverse engineering to account for schema drift, refreshing your data models, reflecting changes directly in the database, or generating incremental load pipelines across multiple sources, the system orchestrates it all with precision. Finally, you can put everything on autopilot with the built-in job scheduler. Simply set your desired frequency, and the self-sustaining ecosystem ensures your pipelines run reliably in the background. No manual intervention needed.